But how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app? So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. We just click here on settings. It's going to show for you this like this here. So then it's going to show for you this like this. Then you go down. Just keep going down. Click here on apps. Come to apps this here, and there you're looking for Clubhouse app. Or just click on search. So then here at Clubhouse, it's going to show for you like this here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop. Click here on OK here. So then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage this here. Click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do is so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.